Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's DIY video, we'll be making over an old ottoman in the simplest method I know how, making a slipcover for it. A lot of the times you guys have these old furniture pieces that you love the shape, you love the size, but maybe the color palette doesn't exactly vibe with the aesthetic that you're after. In this sewing project, I'll show you how to make a very simple slipcover that you can easily slip right over your ottoman and then wash when it gets dirty. Let's jump right in. You can see that my old ottomans are a little tattered, they're dirty. It used to be tufted on top and now the tufted buttons are just kind of falling apart. There's this really cool brass nail head trim on the sides, but even that's not staying on. These ottomans have been with me for so long now. I love the size, I love the shape. The cushion is still in great condition, except that I can't clean the upholstery, so what I thought to do was just to make new slipcovers for it. Not only will it match the new vibe I'm after, but they can easily be washed every time the ottomans get dirty. The first step is to measure your old ottoman. So it looks like we have a perfect 18-inch cube. 18 inches length times width times height. But for sewing projects like this where you have a piece of fabric that you haven't even washed yet, I like to give it a little bit more room. You want to lay your fabric out on a flat surface. You want to make equidistant marks on your fabric. For smaller pieces, you can use a healing mat and a rotary cutter to make your process faster. Now that you have all your squares cut out, it's time to sew them together. So we're just gonna go all the way around the top till we have 4 sides sewn in. So we have 2 panels down. This is the top, this is the side. I have the sides sewn into my top panel, and we need to finish sewing in all the sides. We just want to put this slipcover right over our ottoman to make sure that it fits before we hem the bottom. So now that it fits squarely over our ottoman, we'll know how much to hem. So I made a mark at the base of our ottoman, and I know that this is how much I have to hem up. Time for the final reveal. Let's see if our brand new slipcover slips right over our old ottoman. What do you guys think? Give me a thumbs up if this is something that you try yourself. Okay, now that we have one down, we have one more to go. And there you have it, guys, a brand new DIY slipcover for your old ottomans. Next time you think about throwing any of those old ottomans out, remember that you can make a brand new slipcover for it using old fabric you had lying around the house or new fabric you can source to match your future decor. If you want to personalize a slipcover, you can add decorative trim to the bottom or even a little cute fringe to the top. Let your imagination run wild with fabric and patterns. If you like this type of DIY content, please give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you want to see any more sewing projects, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.